it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Zonie. Yes, Zonie. We reacted to this artist before. So, at the end of the video, I'm going to left 2 reaction them on the screen. So, if you enjoy it, just go over there, go make him know, say, yo, bad artist. You see me? Zonie with been a while. Been a long while. Sorry, been a long while. All right? Zonie, been a long while. Let's jump in the one and here with the GSC. Alright, let's go.
Big Cooler Production.
Button press beast.
Zonie.
I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle, Been a long while.
You better cheer.
All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a jeans and a steel skis and navigate. All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a sleeves and a jeans. Girl pick up a gate. Life on a game, but time and keep on winning. Light up a flame from my grade, I'm on sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots, I'm on sipping. Sight up a shades from the neck, I'm on dripping. In a minute, pull up in Corvette with 40 vet in it. Rims them shine and the windows them tinted. Time is money and we talking milliminute. None of my clip them, not timid. Me tell them so politely. Them nah no shoot for style me. Them nah no do for style me. Them nah no go for blind me. Them nah no drone for find me. So sharp me sword beside me. Yeah man, me sound just like me. I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle. Style. Been a long while. Acrophobia no one say with this eye. Condescending, you know, say me split fly. Don't me trending depending on which flight. Don't me spending depending on which side. In full suit a logo, me drive out the Lotus. Me shades them self focus, me girl them no bogus. So listen the chorus, don't try to provoke us. They cannot revoke us, there is no before us. Never. All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a jeans and a steel skis and navigate. All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a sleeves and a jeans. Girl pick up a gate. Life on a game, but time and keep on winning. Light up a flame from my grade, I'm on sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots, I'm on sipping. Sight up a shades from the neck, I'm on dripping. In a minute, pull up in Corvette with 40 vet in it. Rims them shine and the windows them tinted. Time is money and me talking milliminute. None of my clip them, not timid. Me tell them so politely. Them nah no shoot for style me. Them nah no do for style me. Them nah no go for blind me. Them nah no drone for find me. So sharp me sword beside me. Yeah man, me sound just like me. I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle. Been a long while.
Shift document.
Alright. So we listen to it first. We listen out everything. But we want to go back, you know, and break down. This is the new style we want to try it. We are listening out first without pausing, then we are go back in it now. So let's go again and break down time now. Let's go. Let's try and catch some of what going on. So the video and the lyrics. Let's go.
Galactinated. Zonie.
I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle.
So from the jump, he might tell us say, yo, I've been working my whole life for the lifestyle, yeah. Remember them say if you want good, your nose have to run. So the G put in the work from then for try for be able to live how you live right now. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, hard work.
You better cheer. All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a jeans and a steel skis and navigate. All the man a celebrate. Say all the man a celebrate. Well, all the man a celebrate. Roll on a sleeves and a jeans. Girl pick up a gate. Life on a game, but time and keep on winning.
life and a game, but I man keep on winning. So him a tell us say, yo, whatever I'ma do right now, him a win. That's why I'ma celebrate, cause him feel good about himself. My win.
Life and a game, but time and keep on winning.
Yeah.
Light up a flame from my grade, diamond sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots.
I like the girl here. And the second video, this me see her now. Me see her now. One next video for Zonie already. Zonie, me like the girl here. Yeah, mama, me like her. Yeah, we just, I don't know, we just have something, just have a soft spot in my heart. For you. Yeah, I do.
Man keep on winning.
I do.
Light up a flame from my grade, diamond sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots, diamond sipping. Sight up a shades from the neck, diamond dripping. Any minute, pull for the game, but time and keep on winning. Light up a flame from my grade, diamond sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots, diamond sipping. Sight up a shades from the neck, diamond dripping. Any minute, pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it.
In a minute, pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it. Time I tell the same, pull up in a one sports car with a hot girl next to him. Doesn't have to mean a Yvette. But him just use that for the rhyming scheme. Where am I ever going with it?
Appreciate from the neck, I'm a any minute. Pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it. Rims them shine and the windows them tinted. Time is money and we're talking milliminute.
Time is money and we're talking milliminute. Not even second, not even millisecond, milliminute.
Rims them shine and the windows them tinted.
Yeah.
Time is money and we're talking milliminute. None of my clip them, not timid.
None of my clip them not timid. So him a tell us say him G them where him roll with, him friend them where him roll with, none of them clip, not timid. Yeah, so if them decide to race it out pan you gonna get everything when night and more because the G them not ram to bust it pan a pussy.
Pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it. Rims them shine.
Mama tick in the dog, look how mama tick brother.
Time and dripping any minute. Pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it.
Look how mama tick. Eh? Cement soap. Eh? Look how mama tick.
Rims them shine and the windows them tinted. Time is money and we're talking milliminute. None of my clip them not timid. Me tell them so politely. Them nah no shoe fi style me. Them nah no do fi style me.
Them nah no shoe fi style me.
Them tinted. Time is money and we're talking milliminute. None of my clip them not timid. Me tell them so politely. Them nah no shoe fi style me.
Me tell them so politely. I'm not being rude. I'm just telling you the truth. You're not having a shoe for style me. Know that.
Clip them not timid. Me tell them so politely.
Yeah.
Them nah no shoe fi style me. Them nah no do fi style me. Them nah no go for blind me. Them nah no drone for find me. So
yo, am I going right to them?
milliminute. None of my clip them not timid. Me tell them so politely. Them nah no shoe fi style me. Them nah no do fi style me. Them nah no go for blind me. Them nah no drone for find me. So sharp me sword beside me. Yeah man, me sound just like me. I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle. Style. Been a long while. Acrophobia no one see with this eye.
Acrophobia no want to see me this eye. Acrophobia means we're just scared of heights. So I'm tell you say acrophobia no want to see me this eye. You see me? Wordplay, but
acrophobia no want to see with this eye. Condescending, you know, say me split fly.
yo, that motorcycle look nice.
Acrophobia no want to see with this eye. Condescending, you know, say me split fly. Don't me trending depending on which fly. Don't me spending depending on which side. In full suit a logo, me drive out the Lotus. Me shades them self focus, me girl them no bogus.
You're the boss at chopping.
Don't me trending depending on which fly. Don't me spending depending on which side. In full suit a logo, me drive out the Lotus. Me shades them self focus, me girl them no bogus. So listen the chorus.
Man say him girl them no bogus, him shades them for focus, me girl them no bogus. So I tell them girl them real. He girl them real.
Me drive out the Lotus, me shades them self focus, me girl them no bogus. So listen the chorus, don't try to provoke us. They cannot revoke us, there is no before us.
Listen to the chorus, they cannot provoke us, there is no bill before us.
So listen the chorus, don't try to provoke us. They cannot revoke us, there is no before us.
Cannot revoke us.
All the man a celebrate, say all the man a celebrate. Well all the man a celebrate, roll on a jeans and a sleeves, keys and navigate. All the man a celebrate, say all the man a celebrate. Well all the man a celebrate, roll on a sleeves and a jeans, girl pick up a gate. Life for the game but time and keep on winning. Light up a flame from my grade, diamond sipping. Nice up a place, ganja roots, diamond sipping. Sight up a shades from the neck, diamond dripping. Any minute, pull up in Corvette with fatty.
Hold on.
Sipping, sight up his shades from the neck, time and zipping. In a minute, pull up in car.
Rebel 13. This is a Rebel 13. This is a 2 lakhs brand. Rebel 13. 2 lakhs. How you doing it with Jay? Oh, yes, I can't get one of them shirt, dog. Shirt of body now, Rebel 13. Big up. 2 lakhs. Big up yourself. Twins of twins. Me can't get one of them shirt, dog. Eh? Asking politely. Me can't get one of them shirt, my G. Yeah, man, we can get one of them shirt, man.
Root time and sipping, sight up his shades from the neck, time and zipping. In a
Sure,
minute, pull up in Corvette with fatty vet in it. Rims them shine and the windows them tinted. Time is money and me talking minute. None of my clip them, no timid. Me tell them so politely, them nah no shoot for style me. Them nah no do for style me. Them nah no go for blind me. Them nah no drone for find me. So shot me sword beside me. Yeah man, me sound just like me. I've been working my whole life for this lifestyle.
Production team, big up yourself. Video clean. Yeah, man, production team, big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, don't put in the work, man. Yeah, man, don't put in the work, man. Big up on yourself. Zonie, big up yourself, my G. Bad song. Yeah, I've been waiting a long while. Yes, I've been waiting a long while. Big up yourself, my G. Bro, yeah, do it. Yeah, do it. Yeah, man, song bad, man. All heap of metaphors and similes in there. And, like, if you don't listen to it carefully, enough things are going to go over your head. Also, 2 lakhs, Rebel 13, shirt them bad. What you say? Yeah? What you say? Yeah? Yeah. Yo, hear me I say. I'm going to leave a link to the one here down in the comment. Tag up in the top of the comment section. Go over there. Make him know see a JAMAICA'S game. I send you over there. Drop a like over there. Drop a follow over there too. You see me? Subscribe to him YouTube channel. You know? But yeah, because myself Zonie, this time I'm going to leave down still. I'll catch you guys in the next one for real. Click on any one of them two video right now for any more Zonie song you want to see. You see me? And the tickers are up on the bike. Need you.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip corner.